What's up, everybody? It is Wednesday, April 20th, 1:48 a.m. We are going to go over the stocks that we went over yesterday. We're going to do another little market review of them. Yesterday, we went over PBR, TQQQ, and Twitter. So let's check out what the fuck they did. Also, we went over some cryptocurrency that we will most definitely be checking out. As soon as I can get this fucking screen to scooch on over. There we go. All right. So all right. So tonight we're going to go over TQQQ, PBR, and Twitter. Same ones we went over yesterday. Let's check them out. All right. Let's check out this 15-minute bad boy. So first up, we have TQQQ. This is on the 15-minute. Wow. So were we right or were we fucking right? Fucking pretty, dude. Holy shit. So TQQQ had some definite upside. Today, again, you can see right as the market opened. So this area here is pre-market. So this is going to be anything before pre-market is 4 a.m. to 9:30. That can sometimes dictate how the day goes. In this case, it really did not. So in pre-market, we have it pushing down below our 47.74. And then the very first 15-minute candle, right as market open, what do we have? We have what appears to be a doji, which is something we went over yesterday. Very strong, powerful candle. It's the line of scrimmage. It's where they're trying to figure out direction. And this would have been a beautiful candle to see this morning, followed up by this nice long green candle. We called it. I think that's, let me see. It'll show me on the trading view. Oh, you know what? It shows me on the side here, I think. Let's see. Holy cannoli, up 6.43% today. Come on, give it up for God. We did our damn thing. Up 6% today on the one we called, the first one we called. I'm not going to say I gave you actual levels because that would be silly, but I did think that there was going to be some upside, and we had some strong upside come in very early on in the day, which would have been beautiful. I probably, I didn't trade this today. I actually hung out with my daughters today, as I do every day, except on days I trade. So looks like today I made the wrong decision. I should have picked money over family, because this is the 3 times leveraged ETF. So my children bring value to my life, but there was not 3 children I watched. There was only 2 children. So it didn't work out this time, but it's okay. I might leave them tomorrow. But yeah, looking beautiful, man. Holy crap. That was just nothing but green. Had a little bit of sell off back and retraced to our level there at 49.23. And again, I always do dotted levels on ones that I'm not so sure on. So it kind of leaves me a little wiggle room. So that would have been all right. And that was 14.15. I think that's, fuck is that, like 2 o'clock? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Kenny was in the military, not me. I don't get paid to read time. Time is money. Fuck everything. So we had a beautiful day on TQQQ. Again, that one follows, I believe it follows the NASDAQ, but yeah, this is the one that follows the NASDAQ. So we had a beautiful fucking play. And you know what? I was thinking today, as I was riding down the road and listening to the review we did yesterday. I think I answered my question on why the fuck this volume looks so weird. It's because people don't hold this shit. They sell it same day. So sorry for being a moron, but you're welcome for informing you. So TQQQ looking like a badass. We did have quite a bit of sell off in the aftermarket, which is this blue fucking gradient shit on the chart. And this blue area is the post market, and we had a definite sell off there, which you could have probably predicted going into this candle. Definitely on this one. Just the more wick you see on the green one, it's losing steam. That's really what it's telling you. But yeah, TQQQ rocked hard today during market hours, and in post market, we had a definite pullback down to that bottom support we had there at 48.86. So we started the day at 46.83 after pre-market, and we ended the day at 50.40 on the nose. So that's 46.83 to 50.40. What the fuck? That's fucking great. That's rock hard right there. That's hard. All right. Great little review. I mean, it still looks good. Definitely still looks good. We for sure have a higher high now, or you could call that the higher high. Definitely a higher low. We had a higher high there, and then we possibly have broke down, but we, that's post market. We need to see what pre-market does, and then we can go from there on TQQQ. But yeah, looking great. And see, all gap. When I say all gaps fill, that's the terminology. So we had a sell off from this point on the resistance, made a nice little U shape here, and then we had a touchback. So this area, almost like you can think of it like a vacuum almost. It pulls down, it's going to come back up. And to me, I know there's a lot of thoughts on why that happens. To me, I just view it as if, you have to have a lot of money to move these markets in general. So a player getting in here and going through this pain, they're going to leverage themselves as a big player and purchase in here to hopefully drive the price back up to reach the point that they originally purchased at, so they don't lose money and they make money on the ride back up. That's the way I look at it. Probably is incorrect, but I think just on a basic psychological level, these rich fucks become rich fucks by not losing money. And that's part of it. Okay, so TQQQ looks fucking ballin'. We could expect it to keep going up tomorrow. No reason it shouldn't. We had a pullback, but it wasn't, significant enough. So hopefully that's all the bleeding we're going to do. And then we're going to push back up and retest that 50.57. Once we break that, then we're looking better. Let's check out on the daily. This is the 15-minute time frame on the daily. Yeah, I got my lines from both charts on here, but on the daily, you can see we're looking good. So you could, you would hope that at this point we've broke this trend line going down on the daily, and now we're going to be retracing up, and we're going to be battling these resistances all the way up, and those resistances will cause similar patterns like we see here. So hopefully this will be reversed. We're going to be pushing up, and we're going to be retesting, ultimately retesting that 60.95 high that we had. Well, not all the way, be 63. We'll call it 63. You could hope for a retest back up to 63, but there's definitely some obstacles to go through in order for that to happen. But looks good. Hell yeah. Keep on rocking in the free world. All right. PBR. Let's see if we had any movement on this bad boy. Yeah. Just what we said. Boring. Fucking boring. Ain't doing shit. Just moving sideways. There's money to be made. You can have strategies to hedge yourself in a sideways market. It's not something I do. It just gets really complicated for me. But if you do know how to do that, please teach me. I want to learn. I'd love to get more confident in like an iron condor strategy or all that jazz. Shouldn't have said jizz. I don't know why I said that. But yeah, just boring. I wouldn't get interested in this until we flirted back with it 15-18 line. Yep. That's PBR. Boring fucking stock. That's what it stands for. PBR. Boring fucking stock. Twitter. Look at that. Ding dong. We had some alerts go off. That's always a good sign. Not on Twitter so much, but them in general. 15-minute. All right. $15-minute. Oh, Lord. Let's turn the bat signal off real quick. All right. So Twitter down 4.73% today. I don't really remember what the call out was. Happy 420. But hopefully I said it was shit. Sell everything you have. Because if you didn't, you got your rocks ate today. Twitter has broken our trend line from where we started before the bull run with Uncle Elon. However, it seems as if we didn't make a lower low there. So that could be an argument that we could be popping back up. We are getting, this is a great free tool to use that I use on TradingView. It's literally called Harmonic Patterns Live. It's really helpful pattern in my opinion. But as I see here, we do have a bullish bat pattern. Again, it's like did we have a bat yesterday? It's just flipped from what it was yesterday. The points meet up instead of down. So the triangles are just flipped a little bit, and that can give you a buy signal rather than a sell signal. I might have had a butterfly yesterday. I don't know that we went over, but nonetheless, we could be seeing a pushback up to our trend line our trend line, 47 area. I could see, 47, 48 getting back up there, which isn't enough to really get excited about. It's at 46.05. So Twitter is currently trading at 46.05 after the post market, which in post market you can see it really didn't. Oh, it did. No. Yeah, it bled. It still bled in post market. But again, I remember. Yeah, I said, there's really, you really don't know what direction it's going to go until all this stuff is handled, in my opinion. So, yeah, not good. I wouldn't be looking at Twitter for something to go long in until after the dust is settled. What else did we look at? We looked at everything. That's all the stocks. Awesome. That was quick. Okay, so let's all right. So Solana is currently trading at, would you fucking believe it? 108, 107.97. I do believe that I had said yesterday that I was really interested in that 107 level. That puts us right back into what I like to call the golden zone. So this is an area that we keep coming down to, and this is what we haven't been able to break. We fell below it here. We flirted with it, fell below it again, flirted with it, fell below it again, and we just keep on bleeding. But now we're back here. We've touched it, pulled back, and now it looks as if it's got a little bit more steam than what these guys are having, because you can see here, touches, pulls back, it can't hold, boom, falls down, touches, tries to touch, can't hold, boom, right here, same thing, tries to go up and touch, can't hold, blam. So now let's zoom in a little bit. We'll see how much we're flirting. Okay, so we are on the 15-minute time frame again. Yeah, that's looking nice. So I think looking very nice. So we have some consolidation outside of our downward trend line, which could indicate that we might be ready and primed to really start fucking with this golden zone between 107 and 119. I would like to do a few more levels in this zone just to kind of give you, to give myself areas to pay attention to. But hella cool. Hella cool. We're at 107.97 on Solana. Fucking rocking out. Let's check out ADA. I'm trying to pack all these in for you guys here. All right, so this is ADA. We are at 94 cents per coin. Not much going on. We just have some sideways consolidation for days and days. But we are breaking above where we have listed at 92. So we are fighting above that. And then we're going to be looking for that 104 for a confirmed, directional movement. But yeah, 104. I'd love to see that on ADA. All right, so this is SHIB. We are still just moving sideways. A lot of consolidation around the 2,500 area. Again, I wouldn't get excited until we start touching back into 3,000. That 2951 is where I have that big old solid line. Again, just like on Solana, we have where it hits the 2951, has a huge sell-off, can't hold at 2951, huge sell-off, same thing. Now we have a lower sell-off. It's just looking rough. But hopefully we're going to have a turnaround because of the positive stuff that they've been doing. Shouldn't say hopefully, because it really doesn't matter either way. But it would make sense that we would flirt back up with this 3,000 and hopefully have enough positive momentum after this consolidation to kind of start retracing back up. Very bullish on SHIB. Fuck Doge. All right, we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing good. Oh, I see something interesting. Okay. Yeah. So Bitcoin's doing good. We had a good, this is the day. So we had a good day. We're back up to 41.45.2, which is good. I'm happy with that. We're looking to break over here, and it will be really tight to jump back up to this area, like the 44 area, just so we can get back into this triangle and use it as support on our way up. I'm still worried overall with the crypto market, with Bitcoin being down, just because it's the market leader. But looking good. Happy with that. Happy with Bitcoin. Bitcoin makes me happy. Oh, Koval, you piece of shit. Koval's coming up, guys. I'm not happy with Koval. Even though it's up right now, I'm not happy with Koval. This is the day on Ethereum. Ethereum's still doing the same thing. Oh, sorry. Let me add on Bitcoin real quick. So when you see these two green candles here, you would want, we still have, well, we have 17 hours. So if this candle starts pushing up above this wick, it could give a good indication that we really will have a retracement back up. The pattern that to look for like that is called three white soldiers. It's basically, three large moving bullish candles. The three white soldiers is three big green candles, and that could indicate that a positive movement's happening. For some reason, everything in trading, it's a saying, everything works in threes. Yeah, three white soldiers, that's three large green candles. There's a little bit more to it, but I recommend that you study up on Japanese candlesticks and the patterns that they have. A very helpful app, by the way, this is just one I use when I'm bored. It is called Japanese Candlesticks. Would you fucking guess? Okay. Yeah, but definitely look up on the App Store and download the Japanese Candlesticks. It's like a blue and red faced app. It has like little quizzes and stuff like that about Japanese candlesticks and the patterns that they form. Very helpful in trading. I'm not sure that there's, I don't know if the market really, moves that way, or if it's like a self-fulfilling prophecy type situation where there is this trading theology out there, so thus it works like that. People like me are watching for the same thing, and shit just works like that. I'm really not sure. If you do know, clue me in, comment below and tell me why these candles really mean that, or if there's a lot deeper conspiracy behind it, because I'd like to know. Ethereum, we got that. I love Ethereum. I would love to see it bounce back up to the 3590 area. That's where we keep having our big sell-offs or our big positive movements. So once we get I'd love to see right here at the 3590 area, we have a big move up, and then we just start powerhousing through there. But who knows with the, I believe that they postponed the Ethereum 2.0, and that's just disappointing always. So you have to factor all of that kind of stuff in. You need to stay on top of what these crypto projects are doing, because it really does. I think that you shouldn't even invest in cryptocurrency for necessarily the gains. I mean, gains are great, but you should really find a like my dad, he's really into crypto, and I think he's taking the correct route. He's researching just basically what projects he believes in, and then he's investing in those. That way, you're actually investing in something. You're not just throwing your money in and hoping that it multiplies. It's always scary to do, because a lot of times I lose money. So I want to lose money with like a good conscience, like, hey, at least I fucking believed in this idea. That's really what it is right now. But still very bullish on Ethereum. I could see it definitely breaking all-time highs here after the next, run up with Bitcoin. All right, Koval. Koval is shit. I love Koval, and they're gonna really start winning here. Yeah, 15-minute time frame. It's just getting beat down. We got to break out of this downward pattern in order to be excited about it and to really start expecting anything to happen. I mean, I love these green candles right now, but you really have to back up. You have to zoom out and see what the overall movement is, and the overall movement for this is tragic. So not bullish on Koval price wise. I am bullish on Koval technology wise and idea wise. I think it's going to be fucking cool. All right, that's pretty much it. All right. Well, it is now 2:16. It doesn't take long to do a breakdown and to check out your shit. I recommend that you check your stuff out every single night, whether you're trading stocks, crypto, anything. Just stay informed on what the price is doing currently and what you can expect for the next day. All right. So that pretty much covers it. We went over, again, PBR, Twitter, and TQQQ. Definitely fucking won on TQQQ today. Also Solana jumped right back up to where we were talking yesterday. Make sure you join the Discord. You can get this content first. You can get the call outs, and you can hang out in the chart talk. I don't like this. I don't like selling it. See, I'm doing the intro, or that I'm sitting here trying to do the outro, and I'm trying to promote the Discord. And I don't want it to come off selly or anything like that, like I'm a fucking salesman. But I do want to invite you to join the Discord. It is really cool. We have a couple people in there that are pretty active. But you guys should definitely join the Discord. This is where we have these kind of call outs coming pretty much daily. I don't like it. I just don't like it, Kenny. I'm sorry. I know I'm being a fucking diva. Here we go. Thanks for tuning in. Join the Discord to get this shit first. Please use that one. I felt really good about that one.